Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to Experts of Programming and welcome in the English version of Java tutorial series. Friends, in this tutorial we will see how we can create a project in Netbeans, and when we create a project in Netbeans automatically write few lines for us. We will understand those lines, and then after the end of this tutorial we will make a simple hello world program in Java using Netbeans, and we will print hello world on console. So let's start our tutorial. Friends, I hope you all have downloaded and installed JDK and Netbeans in your systems. After installation, you will find an icon like this in your desktop. Just double click on it and Netbeans will launch after a few minutes. Netbeans IDE has been launched, and this is the start page of Netbeans IDE. Now to create a project, go onto the file menu, click on new project. Here under categories, select Java, and here under project, select Java application and click on next. Here you will have to give the name of your project. Give name whatever you want to give. I will give the name first English tutorial and then click on finish. So friends, you have successfully created a project in Netbeans. Now look at this. Netbeans automatically create a Java package and a Java class for you, and inside this class few lines are written automatically. Now let's discuss these lines one by one. Here on the top, these 3 to 4 lines are comments. You can ignore them, just remove them and come on to this line. Package first English tutorial. So what is this? There is a keyword package and this is the name of the package. So what is a package? According to definition, package is a namespace that organizes set of related classes and interfaces. You can say that package is a pack of related classes and interfaces. Now there can be a question that why we use package. Programmers use packages to organize classes belonging to the same category or providing similar functionality. So those classes providing similar functionality, we can put them in a single package to make our code easy to understand. For example, we are working on a project and project is providing different functionalities. What we will do? We will create different packages inside the project according to functionalities. For example, one functionality is about database. We will name the package as database package, and inside that package we will put those classes which are handling database work like insertion, deletion, updation, retrieval. So how to make a package in Java project? Just right click on your project name, new, and select Java package. Here you can give your package name, for example database, and click on finish. The package has been created. You can find here. So this line means that this class first English tutorial is in this package. You can see here, this is the package first English tutorial, and inside this package there is a class first English tutorial. The name is same, it doesn't matter. I hope everything is clear. Now move on to the next line. So skip these lines too, you can remove them. Come on to this line. This line defines a class called first English tutorial. In Java, every line of code that can actually run needs to be inside a class. Here is a keyword public. It is an access modifier. There are different access modifiers in Java like public, protected, private. Public means that the visibility of this class is public and any other class can access it. This is not important for now, so don't worry. We will discuss it in detail in our later tutorials. There is another keyword class. Whenever we will declare class in Java, we will write this keyword class with the name of the class. So it is a keyword, and it is the name of the class. I hope everything is clear. Move on to the next line. These are comments, remove them. And this is the entry point of our Java program. This is our main method, and main method has to have this exact signature in order to be able to run our program. So what is public, static, void, main, string, args? Let's discuss them one by one. Public, again a keyword. It's an access modifier, means that everyone can access it. Static means that you can run this method without creating the instance of this class. Void means that this method does not return any value. Main is the name of the method. And inside these brackets, it's an array of strings. It will receive the arguments that we will get when running the program with parameter. I hope friends everything is clear. So it's time to print hello world on console. Inside your main method, write system dot out dot println, and inside brackets Under double quotes write hello world. What is system out println? System is a predefined class that Java provides us, and it holds some methods and variables. Out is a static variable within system that represents the output of your program, and println is a method that can be used to print a line. So we will use system.out.println whenever we want to print anything on console. So now run it by clicking run button on the top. And wow, you can see the output right here. You have successfully run your first Hello World Java program. Congratulations friends, and don't worry if you don't understand the meaning of public, static, class and so on. We will discuss it in detail in later tutorials. Friends, if you have any query or question, you can contact us in our Facebook page. The link of our Facebook page will be in the description of this video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.